Jamaica's water woes. Why are we still showering like we're in a drought? Even while it's flooding, the pipelines are drier than chips. Welcome, welcome. You're tuned into Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop with the latest happenings across Jamaica, revamped, recharged, and delivered with a touch of humor. Today, we're tackling a national crisis that has Jamaicans side-eyeing their faucets and praying for a miracle, but the devil says, "Not today, Jesus." The never-ending water lockoffs make people so miserable. Before we dive into the madness, like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And remember, smile because life is too serious to take seriously. The Great Jamaican Water Mystery. Where is it going? Breaking news. Rain is falling every day, rivers are flowing, and yet, somehow, our pipes are drier than a biscuit left in the sun. The National Water Commission, NWC, says they're working hard to restore service, but Jamaicans are still bathing from buckets like it's 1985. And they are still waiting for that promise to be fulfilled. Meanwhile, the government, like all the others in the past as always, is campaigning about how they've brought water to the people, but the only thing flowing consistently is the excuses. They've brought water where, when, and for how long? The pipe problem, fix it today, break it tomorrow. Jamaicans have cracked the code, pressure bus pipe. The water pressure is too strong for the old pipes, and even new ones too, because it's too much to waste money on setting up tanks to gravity feed for Jamaican people. So, they set it up for high pressure and then they turn it on. Then, when the inevitable happens, pressure bus pipe, the NWC turns off the supply to prevent another disaster. But here's the real kicker: when the pipes do burst, guess who's fixing them? Not the NWC. No. Residents are now DIY plumbers, patching up leaks themselves while still getting sky-high water bills. Because apparently, the NWC needs to recoup their losses from all the wasted water they caused. So let's get this straight. 1. We fix the pipes ourselves. 2. We still get charged extra. 3. We still don't have water. Make it make sense. The art of bucket bathing, a national skill. At this point, bucket bathing should be an Olympic sport. Jamaicans have perfected the technique, rationing every drop like it's liquid gold. Step 1. Fill the bucket. Step 2. Strategically pour water over your head. Step 3. Hope you have enough left to rinse off the soap. Step 4. If not, repeat step 2 with extra prayers. Meanwhile, the NWC is promising improvements, but the only thing flowing freely is the press releases and disconnection warnings. Not to mention chastising for customers that waste water. Jamaicans are tired. The water situation is beyond ridiculous, and unless real solutions happen soon, we might have to start collecting rainwater in barrels like it's back in the day. For now, Jamaica Bulletin Board is officially calling out the madness, because nobody should have to fight for a shower while the government is bragging about water access. That's it for today's Jamaica Bulletin Board commentary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, smile because life is too serious to take seriously.